My name is John Horrigan. I'm a master smith with American Bladesmith Society. I started making knives 41 years ago in high school. Where I started at, it was either a plant hanger or a knife, and I got graded on making a knife. So that kind of kicked me off into this. I watched Harvey Dean forge a knife one time about 24 years ago, and I said, that's where it started, that's where I'm going. So these are some of the pieces I actually do. I do my, my own engraving, my own Damascus, my own leatherwork. I'm sole authorship on all of it. So this is an automatic. So this piece has got 24 karat gold, 18 karat gold pins through the pearl. And she flashes pretty quick. This piece is charite, which is a rock from Russia, which is kind of getting extremely hard to get right now. The same thing, there's one raised gold leaf, the rest are flush. This piece is lapis from Afghanistan. Same thing, another auto. Little fighter I had done for the show. Walrus, ladder pattern, engraved, bolsters or not the bolsters, the guard is carved and sculpted. Sheath that goes with it. Little lockback pocket knife with lavender jade. Kind of started getting into stone just in case we have a problem with ivory. I can actually do something else. Stone or wood would be it. So I've been blessed by God for a long time, and he's given me a great talent, and I'm trying to hopefully honor him. And I make knives just because I enjoy making knives. I mean, they're all for sale in a way, but I do them for free. So. Other than that, my website is elite-knives.com. I've got an Instagram page, it's John Horrigan, and then a Facebook page, it's Horrigan Custom Knives, so you can see some of my work there. What else you want, Leroy?
Okay.
Work?
Hang on.